Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be doing some rear wheel bearings on my 2016 Nissan Sentra. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for some more content. Let's get right into it. So you could either put some bolts into those holes to remove the drums, or you could use a hammer in between the studs and knock it a few times and it will just pop right off like I did. Alright, and then once it's loose, just type and pull it right off. So you could definitely tell that's bad. Oh shoot, it's shooting metal all over the place too. Or is that just, no, that's just a clean spot. Alright, so let's get to it. So what's holding this wheel bearing on is 14mm bolts, just like this. There's 4 of them in the back. And then there's also a wheel speed sensor. It's a 10mm. It's this wire right here. Here's a new one for an example. So it goes on like so, I believe, just like that. So that way. So there's the 4 holes for the wheel bearing that are 14mm, and then the 10mm. All right, and then you slap the new one in just like so. So all you gotta do is just hold this with your hand, pull the old one out, and have the new one right here on the side, and then push the new one in and line it up with the holes in the back. All right, so actually let's get you behind here. So hopefully you can see that well. This one, I ended up having to use a short 1/2" socket on a flex head long ratchet, and these 3 down here just use a long socket. Remember, these are 14mm and this one's a 10, and that's it. Pretty simple job. Of course, take off the tire. This will just slide right off. Always use your jack stands and chucks.
Now once they're all off, you should be able to just stick a bar in here and make it loose.
And as far for a torque spec, I could not find one on Google. It failed me today. Today's Sunday, so I couldn't call any dealerships. So what I end up doing is I use some Loctite, and I just kind of torqued it as good as I could before it snapped. So just good and tight, really. God torque, you know what I mean? And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for some more content. It would really help me out.